In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a file in Dropbox and keep the quality. One of the biggest advantages of using Dropbox is that it keeps your file in its original quality when you share it using a link. That means Dropbox does not compress the file the way some messaging apps often do. So if you're sending a video, a photo, a PDF, or even an audio file, the person receiving it can download the original version instead of a lower quality copy. To get started, open the Dropbox app on your device or go to the Dropbox website in your browser. Once you're signed in and looking at your files, click Upload. From there, choose the file you want to send. This could be a video, photo, PDF, audio file, or pretty much any other type of file you need to share. After selecting it, wait for the upload to fully finish before moving on. This part is important because if the upload is still processing, the share link may not work properly right away. If your file is large, it may take a little longer depending on your internet speed, so just give it a moment. Once the file has uploaded, find it in your Dropbox. Next to the file, click the three dots. This opens a menu with more options for that item. In that menu, click Share. After that, choose Create Link, or if a link is already available, click Copy Link. This generates a shareable Dropbox link connected to that exact file. Now that you have the link copied, the final step is to send it to the person who needs the file. You can paste the link into a message in Messenger, WhatsApp, or an email, depending on what works best for you. Instead of sending the file directly through those apps, you're sending access to the file stored in Dropbox, which is what helps preserve the original quality. When the receiver opens a link, they can view the file and download the original version. That makes this method especially useful for high-quality videos, full-resolution images, important documents, and audio files that you don't want compressed. And that's all it takes. Upload your file to Dropbox, create a share link, and send that link wherever you want. It's a simple and reliable way to share files without losing quality.